তুসু বাবু
And let's open it.
কি
75
করছো?
lakh, please. At 75
কি
lakh.
করছো?
Do I have a bid coming in at
ইয়া করছিস?
75 lakh? Anywhere at
ইয়া
all.
করলি কেন?
No bid. All
চা পড়ে
true.
যাবে।
And we shall pass. 163 is our next player up. This is Richard Gleeson from England, the bowler from England, Richard Gleeson. And let's open at 75 lakh, please, for Richard Gleeson. At 75 lakh, do we have any interest at all? 75 lakh for the English bowler. All done. No bids. And we shall pass. 164 is our next player up. This is Alzari Joseph from the West Indies. Our bowler there. And 2 crore, please. Opening bid for Alzari Joseph at 2 crore. Do I have anybody coming in at 2 crore? Alzari Joseph, opening bid. All through then. No bid at all. Any team coming in. Last chance. And we shall pass. Pass. We move on to number 166. This is Riley Meredith, the bowler from Australia. Riley Meredith. And 1 crore 50, please. 1 crore 50.